watching and reading it through time and again. But the Congress legislature, very unfortunate. And we, from the whole of Karbi Anglong, be the Asdc front, KSA, KNCA, and different organizations on behalf of that, such emotions should not be created in the minds of the indigenous people. This is what we want to say. Therefore, what the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have met a very clear notification on the 21, I guess, on that day itself, that these people will be evicted irrespective of any caste, creed or religion. Therefore, people living in those areas, as met in the notification, have to be evicted, and nobody, no organization, no groups or no any particular religion should not be come into the way of what the notice says and what the Supreme Court says. This is what we say, and we, it's a very, very big condemn that we met the eyes of that Debabrata Saikia.